And here's the billboard for the construction of a multi-purpose building at Cabuluan Elementary School, Ballesteros, Cagayan. Contractor, we have Primitivo Eslabon Construction and Hardware. Date started October 18, 2011. Contract completion date November 16, 2011, with a contract cost of 195,247 pesos and 70 centavos. The implementing office, we have DPWH, Second District Engineering Office. Source of fund is from the calendar year 2011 PDAF of Congresswoman Baby Aline Vargas Alfonso. And here's the construction ongoing this 7th day of the month of November with our program of work. Description of work to be done. Item number 1, earthworks amounting to 1,446 pesos and 9 centavos. Reinforcing steel, 28,917 pesos and 47 centavos. Structural concrete class A, 35,054 pesos and 55 centavos. Carpentry works, 72,291 pesos and 1 centavo. Tinnery works, 55,184 pesos and 64 centavos. Fabrication and installation of signboard, 3,106 pesos and 25 centavos. Survey and investigation, 2,000 pesos. Designs and preparation of plans and specifications, 2,000 pesos, amounting to 200,000 pesos. Prepared by Engineer 2, Jeselito D. Basig, submitted by Chief Planning and Design Section, Jaime P. Catolos Jr., recommended by Marcelo P. Calimag, OIC Assistant District Engineer, and approved by Ernesto C. Velasco, OIC District Engineer. Thank you to Congresswoman Baby Aline Vargas Alfonso.